You're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a book on Canva to sell on Amazon. The first thing you will need to do is create your Canva account. You can do that for completely free using your email address. After creating your Canva account, I want you to open up a second tab and you're going to go onto kdp.amazon.com. From there, you're also going to create an account. You can sign up using the same account that you would use on Amazon.com, as it is a similar platform. So you can use the same sign in that you would use regularly on Amazon to sign in to kdp.amazon.com. Once you have signed up to both platforms, I want you to go back onto Canva, and from here you could tap on the search bar right here and you could type in ebook for example sake. After typing in ebook, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. So you could hover over the different templates using your mouse cursor, and you can see the different templates right here, and you can select whichever one of these are to your liking. All you'll need to do once you have found one of these templates that you like, you will simply tap on it. Then you're going to tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can make the changes that you want. So for example, if it is a case that you would like to change the ebook cover color, for example, you could select the entire page, then tap on the color box in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you could choose a color that you would like to change it to. As you can see right there, the color has now changed. You can also change the text by simply selecting the text box. You could change it to whatever you want. So let's say, for example, I want to change it to Finance 101. I could do that right there. After doing that, you could change the title. You can do anything you want. You can change any section. You could also change the images by simply going over to the left hand menu option. You could tap on uploads and you could upload an image of your liking, or you could tap on elements in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can search for whatever type of image you'd like to create. Then you can simply drag and place the image as you can see right there. Now that we have edited the cover, all you'll need to do is simply scroll down. So you can scroll down and from there you could make changes to the other sections. So let's do that real quick. You can see page 1 of 12. So from here you could select the other page that you'd like to go to. So you could select page 2 and you can see page 2 right here. After going on to page 2, from here you could also enter, or better edit the table of content. So you can edit the table of content right there. You could scroll down and you could edit the about authors page. So you can fill in the information that you'd like to add to your ebook right here. So you can fill in all of this information. Once you're finished doing this, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on share. After selecting share, you're going to tap on download. Then from there, the first page that we're going to be downloading is the ebook cover. So we're simply going to unselect all of the other pages and only select page 1. Then you're going to tap where you see PNG and you're going to select JPG, as that is the format that you'll need to download your ebook cover in. So you're going to tap on download right there. After downloading the ebook cover, you can see how it looks right here. And we're going to close that and we're going to go back. Then we're going to download the other pages. So you'll tap on share once more in the top right hand corner, then tap on download. Then after doing that, you're going to select the other 11 pages. So from page 2 to 11. So let's do that real quick. So you can see right there. Then you're going to change the format. So the format that we'll be using for this example, you could select PDF print or you could select PDF standard. We're going to select PDF standard for this example. Then you're going to tap on download. Once it has been downloaded, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go into the other browser and you're going to go onto Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once on this platform, I want you to tap on Create. After doing that, you can see you have 4 different options. You can either select Kindle ebook, or you can select paperback, or you could select hardcover or series page. So you can select whichever one of these options you would like to use. So we're going to tap on Create ebook. After tapping on Create ebook, you can select the language that your ebook is in. Then from here, you can type in your ebook title. So we're going to type in Finance 101. After adding the title, you can scroll down and you can continue filling in the rest of information. For example, you could fill in the author's name. So let's do that real quick. After you have filled in the author's name, you can scroll down and you could add a quick description. So for example, this book is about financing. And from there, you're going to scroll down. I own the copyright. And then you're going to select whether you have sexual explicit images in your book. So I don't have that, so I'm going to tap on no. Then you'll scroll down and from here you can select the primary marketplace. And this is basically where you would like your book to mainly be listed. So you can see you have amazon.in, amazon.co.uk. So you can select whichever one of these marketplaces you would mainly want your book to be listed in. Normally I would leave it on amazon.co as that would be Amazon US. Then from there you could scroll down and you could also choose a category. So you can tap on choose category. You can select one right here and you can select whichever category your book falls under. So you could select children's ebook, you can select whichever option. So for example, since this is a finance book, I will be selecting business and money. Then from there, you can also select general right there, then tap on save categories. After doing that, you could type in different keywords that you would like to target. As remember that Amazon is also a very popular search platform. So persons would normally go onto Amazon, for example, sake and type in finance book or so on. So by typing in different keywords right here, you will make your ebook more searchable. So in turn, you'll be able to get some organic traffic to your listing. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on save and continue, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you can tap on upload manuscript, and from here, you'll be able to upload the ebook that we had downloaded. So let's find the ebook that we have downloaded right here. So let me do that real quick. So you can see it right here. This is the ebook that we had downloaded. So we're going to tap on upload and I'm going to select continue with PDF. Once it has been uploaded, we'll now be able to upload the ebook cover. So you can see it is uploading right there. It has now been saved. Then you're going to tap on upload a cover you already have and you're going to tap on upload your cover. After tapping on upload your cover, you can select the ebook cover. You can see it right there. Then tap on upload and you can see that it is being uploaded. Unfortunately, the dimensions would need to change as you can see right here. So it would need to be 1000 pixels in height by 625 pixels in width. So all we would need to do, you could go back onto the page right here. And if you're using the paid plan, you could tap on share. And then from there, you could tap on download once more. After tapping on download, you could adjust the size if you're using the paid plan. But if you're not using the paid plan, what I would recommend you do, you're going to go back onto Canva homepage. And from there, we're going to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on customize size. Then we're going to enter the size that they recommend, which is 1000 pixels in height by 625 pixels. So let's do that real quick. So we're going to enter 1000 pixels in height by 625. And you want to ensure that you have selected PX. Then you're going to tap on create new design. After tapping on create new design, you can see different ebook templates right here that you can choose from. So you could select one of these templates, or for this example, I'm going to tap on uploads and I'm going to upload the ebook cover that we had created earlier. So you can see it right here. I'm going to simply add this cover. So let me do that real quick. You can see it right there. Then I'll simply tap on the three dots and tap on set image as background. Then I'm going to tap on share once more, tap on download, select JPG, and I'm going to download it. Once it has been downloaded, as you can see right here, again, we're going to go back onto Amazon KDP. Then we're going to tap on upload your cover, and we're going to search for the cover once more, and we're going to add it. So you can see the cover right here. Let me search for the correct cover. So you can see it right there. Then I'm going to tap on upload. And now once it has been uploaded, we'll continue proceeding. So we'll simply scroll down from there. And you can see right here, does your book have any AI content in it? You can select yes or no. So I'm going to tap on no. After doing that, you can scroll down. And again, you're going to tap on save and continue. And then you would be redirected to the pricing page. On the pricing page, you'll be able to select the amount of royalty that you would like to receive. If you were to select 30%, you'll be able to set your ebook price at a more affordable price. If you were to select 70%, you would have to set the ebook price a bit more expensive. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.